Hello, my name is Chris. I'm one of the technicians here at Genesis of Schaumburg. All right, so we got the vehicle pulled onto the alignment rack now. First thing we always do is make sure it's all nice and lined up straight, aligned with the adjustment tools here. Made sure that the vehicle is all good. Went ahead and used this tool here to scan the vehicle's VIN so that it lets you know what the vehicle is. This one's a 2022 GV70. What it wants us to do now is we're gonna go ahead and lift the vehicle up halfway and put on the alignment targets. That way it can let you know where the adjustments are, what's in the green, which is good, what's in the red, which needs to be adjusted, and just overall tells you what's going on with the vehicle so that way you know what to adjust. Here you can see on the screen, these are all of your adjustments. There is no caster adjustment. That's what moves your wheel forward and backward. Toe is in and out this way, and then camber is in and out this way. We can go ahead and adjust these measurements just a little bit closer, make sure that the vehicle does drive straight and all of those tires wear evenly. Thanks for watching Tech Explains. My name is Chris with Genesis of Schaumburg, and I will see you next time.